How to create a YouTube channel. So if you're wondering how to create a YouTube channel, well, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on your YouTube, and then click on your profile icon at the top right corner. So you can see it says your channel right here, so tap on your channel. Now you can change your photo, take a photo, or if you can just leave it as you want. You can add in your name right here, and then once you do that, press save and then press create channel right here. So you can see that my channel has been created. Now if you want to add in your different descriptions and what it is about, you can't do this through the app itself. You'll need to open YouTube on your browser. So I have a YouTube shortcut right here. If you don't, you can always type in am.youtube.com. So make sure you are on the desktop site by tapping this three dots at the top and clicking this desktop site right here where you can see mine is highlighted blue. So just tap that box, and once you do that, click on your profile icon right here. So go to your channel. So you can see it says customize channel, so tap on customize channel. So you can just customize it through here. You can do the different layout, branding, how your picture is, what your banner image is. You can even add a video watermark and basic info about yourself, description, language that you want to add, if there's any link that you want to share with your viewers. So you can just customize it through here. So you'll need to do it on this browser. You can't do it on the app. But this is how to create a YouTube channel. Also, be sure to check out our website createlogindelete.com, which is linked in the description below for various helpful guides, tips, and tricks for your favorite social media apps and software.